Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Buford, Georgia this afternoon. It's about 6 o'clock. We just wrapped up this 5 o'clock job. It's a $240 job. One of the things I wanted to show you, one of the freebies we do, there's this job had a lot of deodorizer we had to use on it for pet odor. But the other thing we do is a freebie that most people don't do, a lot of people don't even consider it, are the HVAC returns. That's actually an after HVAC return. Now you're wondering what we do to it. Well, let me walk you over and show you the other one. The other one looked as bad, if not worse, than this one here. But this is one of the freebies we do. Hold on, I think I'll pause this. There you go. See, much better. And that's just another one of the freebies that we offer, that we do for our customers. A little thank you for doing business with you to help earn repeat and referral customers. So yeah, this is Mitch. There was no before video shot with this because this carpet is we call camouflage carpet. It's hides stuff very well, but it did have a ton of odor in it, so we loaded it up with pet odor. This is actually, I forgot to mention, this is also a repeat customer. So again, this is Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning, omgfloorcare.com, 404-500-9853. Thanks for watching, and if you don't have value-added things you do for your customers, you should certainly look into it, because everybody loves free stuff.